Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn about positioning. The CSS positioning properties allow you to position an element. It can also place an element behind another and specify what should happen when element's content is too big. Element can be positioned using the top, bottom, left and right properties. However, this property will not work unless the position property is set first. They also work differently depending on the positioning method. So there are main four positioning methods. First is the static, second is the fixed positioning, third is the relative positioning, and fourth one is the absolute positioning. So let's see first fixed positioning. An element with a fixed position is positioned relative to browser window. It will not move even if window is scrolled. So let's see first fixed positioning. We have created one h1 tag and number of p tag which contain some ordinary data, and we have also created one p tag which contains class css class fixed, and we will define positioning in this fixed class. To set the fixed positioning, first write position is equal to fixed, means we are setting fixed position. Now define top position of element. I want to place this fixed element at 30 pixel away from top and 15 pixel away from right window. Now let's see what happens. Now when I scroll, the fixed element will be fixed as it is. It will not affect or it will not scroll down because it is fixed to its position. So this is the effect of fixed positioning. Now let's see another relative. A relative position element is a position relative to its normal position. So I have set right to 35 pixel. Now let's see what is the effect of relative position. We can see the text is 35 pixel is cutted from the left window. So this is the effect of relative positioning. We can position the text where it is located to its relative position, and we can also set minus values. If I supply here minus, then text will be positioned according to that right position. Now let's see absolute positioning. I have set position to absolute and I am giving top 300 pixel and right 35 pixel. I am writing head tag below paragraph tag. Let's run. We can see paragraph tag is below the head tag, although we have written paragraph tag first. So this is the effect of absolute position, where we can give absolute position to our element. So this is all about positioning in CSS. We can set various position according to our requirement. So this is about positioning in CSS. Thank you.